Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so if we have 30 grams of hydrogen sulfide and 50 grams of oxygen, how much S8 can we make assuming a 98% yield? So the first thing we have to do is figure out how much we can make at a 100% yield, the theoretical yield, and then take 98% of that. So this is a limiting reactant problem. We're going to convert the grams of each into the moles of S8 we can make, take the lower value, and then bring that value forward to find grams. So if we have 30 grams of H2S, we're first going to convert that to moles by using molar mass. The molar mass of H2S, if you take an S and two H's and put them together, is 34.08 grams. That'll get us moles. Then we have to use the mole ratio to convert into S8. For every mole of S8 we make, we use 8 moles of H2S. We use the coefficients from our chemical reaction to get that ratio. So 1 mole of S8 comes from 8 moles of H2S, and we'll get that value. Now, this is going to be answered to 3 significant figures, and when we do the math on that, we come up with 0.110 moles of S8. And we've got to do the same thing with our 50 grams of oxygen. And so 1 mole of oxygen is 32.00 grams. And then we're going to need the mole ratio. For every 1 mole of S8 that we make, we use 4 moles of O2. We still have 3 significant figures for our answer. And when we do the math, we get 0.391 moles of S8. So since it's a limiting reactant, we have to choose the smaller value. So we're going to take our 0.1 moles of S8 forward and convert that into grams. So we'll take our 0.110 moles of S8, multiply it by its molar mass. So every mole of S8 is 256.48 grams. And so we still have 3 significant figures. We get 28.2 grams of S8. When we do it by math, that's called the theoretical yield. And the theoretical yield is what you should be able to make if everything were perfect or if it were 100%. But we don't have a perfect world here. We only made 98% of what we were supposed to. So we're going to take that 28.2 grams and we're going to multiply it by 98% or 0.98 to get the actual yield that we made. So we're going to wind up with 27.6 grams.